Good morning, everybody. My name Professor Sunil Agarwal. I am inventor of Agarwal Energy Concept and Color Therapy. My color therapy is based on 5-element theory, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and Ayurveda, and various type of other holistic healing, where we are using or visualizing the normal color of the chakras or the organ, etc. Today I will discuss with you, in corona season, lot of people is facing the problem of blood clotting, blood thickness. When you are taking lot of medicine to boost your immunity, heavy diet to boost your digestive system or energy in the body. So I will just discuss about the few points by which, if you apply the color as I suggest, these colors are the color which can increase the coldness energy or water element in the blood. Just by putting the few colors on the points, you will find this, your body start feeling coldness energy in the body. When you feel the coldness in your body, it means your water content in the body is increasing on a metaphysical level. So just I will take first point I will take spleen 9. Spleen 9 is the coldness point of the spleen meridian. Once you apply the black color on the spleen 9 and the spleen 10. This is the point, spleen 9 and spleen 10. You just put the black color. Why I am putting the black color? Black color represents the kidney and the urinary bladder, and both these elements is water and their energy is coldness. And when you put this Sp9, Sp10, Sp10 is the C of the blood, Sp9 is the coldness point. When you put the both color on black color on both the points, blood and coldness is induced in the body. Next point is kidney 10. Kidney 10 point you will find here in this back of the, this is the kidney 10 point. Again it is a coldness point of the kidney. Coldness point of the kidney. It will also increase the coldness in the blood and water element in the blood. Next point is liver 8. This is the point liver 8. This point always I am showing you in the sujok, but you have to use this point on the body meridian. If you use these points on the body meridian, apply the black color on the body meridian, you will get the very good results. You will get immediate coldness energy in your body. Next point is pericardium 3. This is the pericardium 3. If you put the black color, it means you are putting the heart coldness energy updating. Coldness energy you are increasing. There is a next point is the UB17. This is the point UB17 is here. Somewhere here you will find the UB17. This point is related with the blood formation in the body. Whatever blood is being formed in the body, its nature will be cold. Its nature will be cold, and cold nature will dissolve the clot in the blood. Next point is Li3. This is the Li11 point. This is the Li11 point. Just you can apply the pressure by the hand, or you can put the green color on this Li11 point. When you are putting the Li11 green color, it means the complete coldness energy in the body. By this point, it will be circulated in the entire body. So this is the beauty of this Li11 point. Li11 stands for the whole body energy circulation. Means the point which you are put the black color, they become the coldness energy, and by pressing this point you are circulating that coldness energy in the body. There is next point is Li4. This is the Li4 point. I will just put the Li4 green color. This is the Li4 point. I will put the green color over here. Why I am putting the green color on this point Li4? Because Li4 is a homeostatic point. It controls the entire above the diaphragm body. Upper body is controlled by this Li4 point. If you are putting the Li4 green color, it means you are increasing the wind energy in this upper part of the body. When there is a wind energy, excess wind energy, and you have also put the green color, whole body energy circulation, and you put the coldness point, and this you have made your blood cold and circulation is there, and this is the controller of the upper part of the body. When all these points you will put, I am 100% sure within few minutes, within half an hour or 30-40 minutes, you will feel the change in your body. You can feel saliva in your mouth, you can feel coldness in your mouth, coldness on the lips, and you will feel you are feeling some shivering in the body also. These points are so effective, so instant result orienting, and my Agarwal energy concept, that's why I call it Agarwal energy concept. I always say you put color on the body meridian. The points I have mentioned in this, but I have shown that points in the Sejog, but you need to put color on the body meridians so that you will get the immediate results, and results will be amazing and you can save your lives. Thank you so much.